Hello everyone! Is your car's brake light on, or does it feel like the transmission isn't shifting smoothly? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0703, torque converter, brake switch B circuit, it means there's an issue with the brake switch circuit which affects the transmission and torque converter. In this video I'll explain what P0703 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0703 trouble code stands for Torque Converter Brake Switch B Circuit. Your car's Powertrain Control Module, PCM, monitors the brake switch signal. This switch tells the torque converter clutch, TCC system when to engage or disengage. If the PCM detects an abnormal voltage in this circuit, it triggers P0703. Warning: a faulty brake switch can cause shifting problems and even prevent your torque converter from unlocking, leading to stalling issues. Common symptoms of P0703: check engine light on brake warning, light on hard or delayed gear, shifting torque converter, not engaging, disengaging, engine stalling when stopping, cruise control not working. If you notice these problems, it's time to locate and inspect the affected components. To diagnose P0703, check these key brake and transmission-related components. Brake light switch, brake pedal position sensor, BPP. Location: mounted near the top of the brake pedal under the dashboard. Function: detects brake pedal movement and signals the PCM TCC to engage or disengage. Torque converter clutch, TCC, solenoid location, inside the transmission valve body. Function: controls the torque converter lockup for fuel efficiency and smooth driving. Stop light fuse and relay location, fuse box under the dashboard or in the engine bay. Function: supplies power to the brake light switch and related circuits. Wiring harness and connectors location, runs between the PCM brake switch and transmission solenoids. Function: transmits signals for brake engagement and torque converter lockup. PCM, Powertrain Control Module. Location: usually mounted in the engine bay or near the firewall. Function: receives brake switch signals and controls the transmission operation. Common causes of P0703 faulty brake light switch. A failing BPP switch can send incorrect signals to the PCM. Blown brake light fuse. A blown stoplight fuse can disrupt the brake switch function. Damaged wiring or loose connections. Corroded or shorted wires between the brake switch, PCM, and transmission can trigger P0703. Faulty torque converter clutch, TCC solenoid. If this solenoid fails to disengage, the car might stall at stops. Bad PCM rare. In rare cases, a faulty PCM may misinterpret brake switch signals. How to fix P0703. Step 1. Check brake lights. Press the brake pedal and check if the lights turn on. If not, the brake switch or fuse may be faulty. Step 2. Inspect the brake light switch. Use a multimeter to check if the switch is functioning properly. Replace if necessary. Step 3. Check the stoplight fuse and relay. Look in the fuse box and replace any blown fuses. Step 4. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded wires near the brake switch and transmission solenoids. Step 5. Test the torque converter clutch. Solenoid. If the TCC solenoid is stuck, the torque converter may not unlock properly. Step 6. Reset the PCM and test drive. Clear the code with an OBD-II scanner and observe if the issue returns. Final words: ignoring P0703 can lead to shifting problems, engine stalling, and unsafe driving conditions. Fixing it early can prevent expensive transmission repairs. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0658. Actuator supply voltage a circuit low. P0659. Actuator supply voltage a circuit high. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.